Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your fingerprint sensor not working in your Oppo Reno15 Pro. So actually the first thing that you have to do is to open the settings and here scroll down to the security and privacy. Here scroll down even further to here the device unlock. Tap face and fingerprint unlock and tap fingerprint. Draw your lock screen pattern or enter your passcode. Tap these 3 lines, 3 dots here, delete and delete your fingerprint. Tap add a fingerprint, add now and add your fingerprint once again. Place your finger on the sensor, left it. Place, left it, place, left it, place, left it, place, left it, and do this until you have all finger covered. Now, as you can see, we're done. Tap done and check if it works. As you can see, mine does work. What about yours? If yours does, that's nice. We have fixed your issue. If yours doesn't, you need to actually clean your screen using a soft cloth. Maybe don't use alcohol, but just here clean this part of the screen where you do have your fingerprint. Now try scanning your fingerprint. It should work. If you do have very dirty and oily screen, try using alcohol. Now as you can see, mine works still. If yours does work, that's nice. If yours doesn't, remove any screen protector because it may cause the interference with your fingerprint sensor. And as a last resort, go to the authorized service and have your phone fixed there. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.